Hola Toy Cash Register featured 3 play modes. It's ideal for promoting the brain development of your child. In study mode, press the number button to learn about numbers, quantities, and more.
5, 5.
In free shopping mode, scan the barcode on the products and press the equal button to calculate the total price.
French fries, $9. The total is $15. Please swipe your card.
And then finish the payment with the credit card. These games can improve kids' general knowledge
Okay, thanks for coming. See you again.
and protect their math skills.
4 is 13. 6 minus 2 is 4.
In game mode, the cash register tells the baby which products to buy. The game gradually gets more difficult as the baby scans each product.
Check, please. French fries, $9.
The cash register also features a music button, a microphone, and multicolored light to make the toy more attractive. If you keep your little one entertained and stimulate their interest of learning. Hola Toy Cash Register